Hey guys, it's Jeff with Simply Derivative. Here's the daily recap video. It's Tuesday, June 26th. We've had some technical difficulties the past couple days, so we apologize. We're getting back into getting these daily videos out to you. And we're going to start with the NQ today. Just like the other major markets, yesterday we saw a big pullback to start the week out. And we saw the NQ down over 200 points, 220 points at one point. And then you get a bigger time frame level that hits, and all of the markets have basically bounced. And into today, they tried to rally up a couple times, got up there, and then basically traded down into the close. And wasn't really an eventful day. There were some smaller time frame opportunities that took place in the NQ and the ES. We had one early in the morning. Down at this 27-18 area for a long, and then you could have got some stuff later in the afternoon as well. But other than that, you see the reaction. We bounced, and now we're going to try and hold these and make our way back up to 27.50, specifically on the ES, 27.60. See if we can get back up there the rest of this week. We do have some important information, data points, economic news coming out later this week, Thursday and Friday. So. We'll see how we trade going into those announcements. And one other thing I wanted to check on and show you guys was, and you're going to see it all over the news probably, at least the financial news, the Dow. Rarely looked at or talked about much, but it broke a snap of 501 trading days above its 200-day moving average yesterday. And again today, we were watching it into the close, closed below the 200-day moving average. And for some of you that may know, when price moves below or above these averages that a lot of traders and institutions look at, that can signal something coming up here. And so you'll probably see it in the news, but it's just interesting. 2 days in a row closing below it. Prior to that, about a year and a half of not closing below that. So the Dow has been the weakest market. We're going to see if that's going to pull everything else down. Or is this a buying opportunity for the Dow specifically, since the NASDAQ and the Russell had made new highs? It's late in the cycle. We're going to see what happens, but to us it looks like the Dow wants to break down lower, and it may pull the rest of the market with it as well. Looking at the weekly here, you can say we have a huge move down. We bounced, trended up sideways, almost in this channel, broke down, tested the lows, been in this upward sloping channel, bear flag, whatever you want to call it, kind of pattern, and we had basically gapped open below that here on the weekly yesterday, and bounced a little bit today. But we're going to kind of see how this plays out. We have a lot of room to the downside, a couple thousand points on a weekly time frame before you get some bigger levels of demand on the Dow. So this week could be interesting, and see where we go. Going into the end of the year. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Follow us on social media, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and check us out at simplyderivative.com. Take care.